This is 6 minutes a day keeps you a good sense of English EP11. Today's topic: the Black Friday frenzy. Today's speaker: Morgan and Alex both have an American accent. Scene 1: the anticipation. Setting: Alex and Morgan are at a coffee shop chatting.
Hey Morgan, can you believe it's almost Black Friday?
Yeah, it's that time of the year again. I never really understood the hype around it.
Come on, Morgan. It's the biggest shopping day of the year. The deals are insane.
I get it, but isn't it just a marketing gimmick?
Well, yeah, it started as a way to kick off the holiday shopping season. Legend has it that the name Black Friday originated from retailers going from being in the red to turning a profit, being in the black.
Interesting. But do people really need to camp outside stores for hours just to get a discount?
Scene 2: the Midnight Madness. Setting: Alex and Morgan decide to check out the Black Friday madness.
Morgan, look at this crowd. It's insane.
Are those people really waiting for the store to open at midnight?
Oh, you have no idea. It's a tradition. The Midnight Madness sale is like the Super Bowl of shopping.
Well, count me out. I'll stick to online shopping from the comfort of my couch.
Scene 3: the shopping spree. Setting: Alex and Morgan are inside a crowded department store.
Morgan, check out these discounts. I got this TV for half the price.
Is it really a good deal if you didn't need a new TV in the first place?
Details. It's all about the thrill of the hunt.
Scene 4: reflections. Setting: Alex and Morgan meet up after.
So was it worth it?
Absolutely. I got so much for so little.
But do you really need all of that?
Maybe not, but Black Friday is not just about the stuff. It's about the experience, the rush, and yes, the crazy stories.
Well, to each their own. I'll stick to my peaceful online shopping.
Scene 5: the aftermath. Setting: Alex and Morgan are sitting in a quiet corner of the mall, surrounded by shopping bags.
Alex, are you okay? You look a bit overwhelmed.
Yeah, I guess I went a little overboard. I mean, did I really need 3 new pairs of sneakers?
That's what I've been saying. Sometimes the excitement gets the best of you.
It's just that the discounts were too good to pass up. But now, I'm thinking, did I fall into the Black Friday frenzy too easily?
Scene 6: a lesson learned. Setting: Alex and Morgan continue their conversation as they take a break.
Well, maybe next time you'll think twice before joining the Black Friday battlefield.
You might be onto something. I got caught up in the hype and forgot to be a smart shopper.
It's easy to lose track of what you actually need when you're surrounded by all those flashy deals.
You know, I think I'll return a couple of things. No point in cluttering my apartment with stuff I don't really need.
Scene 7: the silver lining. Setting: Alex and Morgan leave the mall with a mix of satisfaction and reflection.
See, there's a silver lining to all this. You learned something about yourself today.
Yeah, I did. It's not about the quantity of things I own. It's about making mindful choices.
You'll get the hang of it. And hey, at least you got some good stories out of it, right?
True. Next year, I'll approach Black Friday with a bit more caution.
Scene 8: facing the returns counter. Setting: Alex and Morgan return to the department store to make some returns.
Hi, I'd like to return a few things.
No problem. Happens all the time after Black Friday. May I ask why?
Well, I got a bit carried away. Bought more than I needed.
Happens to the best of us. Just need the receipts, and we'll get it sorted. Scene 9: a heartfelt conversation. Setting: Alex and Morgan find a quiet spot to talk after the returns.
Feeling better now?
Yeah, surprisingly. Returning stuff wasn't as painful as I thought, and the clerk was really understanding.
See, being honest with yourself is the first step. It's not about the amount of stuff you own, but the thought behind it.
You're right. From now on, I'll focus on meaningful purchases instead of just chasing discounts.
Scene 10, a new perspective. Setting. Alex and Morgan walk away from the mall, lighter in spirit.
So what's the plan now? Still up for some more shopping?
No way. I think I've had my fill for a while. Maybe we can do something more meaningful with our time.
Now you're talking. How about volunteering or catching up on those books you've been neglecting?
Sounds like a plan. Let's make this Black Friday a turning point.
Today's vocabulary. Repeat after me. Black Friday. Black Friday. Hype. Hype. Marketing gimmick. Marketing gimmick. Worth. Worth. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Caution. Caution. Chasing. Chasing. Thanks for your watching. Have a good day. If you don't want to miss the next video, remember to subscribe and turn on the bell. The vocabulary in today's video are blocked in the description. You are welcome to download and review. Keep practicing, and you will get the results you deserve.